Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I want to walk you through this 2007 Crownline 220. So 22-foot Crownline, again 2007 with trailer. It's a nice little boat to be able to bring it around to different lakes or have up a cabin, whatever it is you like. There's a nice swim platform in the back. It is a Merc. And it does have the Bravo 3, so you can see those nice stainless steel twin props that counter rotate. This is the 5.0 Mercury, so great size engine for this boat. Let's go take a look at the interior. All right, welcome aboard this 2007 Crownline. We've got the nice sun pad here in the back. We come around here, we've got a little sink, little storage area. Come around on this side, we got the co-captain's chair right there. And then if we open this up, we got a place for, that's the sun pad in there, but that is for a head. So a 22-foot boat with a head. We got storage in the floor. Come up to the helm right here. We've got a Garmin that was added to the boat. Got all the easy gauges that you need, the push buttons in here. Dock lighting, blower, all that kind of stuff right here. And then a Sony CD player with Bluetooth. And then we come up to the front. This is a nice wide bowed 220. Does have a table. Got storage underneath these seats as well. So this is a 2007 220 Crownline here at our Rogers location. Come on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.